Okay, okay. So Mapyo, do you own a car?
No, I don't because I am a student, so I usually use public transportation like bus and train because it's more affordable and convenient, and also it saves time.
Convenient. Mm.
Convenient and it saves time due to traffic congestion in the city. Yes, teacher.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And going into how often do you use car?
Since I don't own a car myself, I would normally use a taxi car to especially with a Grab application to travel to the destination I I I want to travel. And another thing is that I will also sometimes use transportation when there is when the nearby taxi is not available.
Mm-hmm. Okay ဒီမှာဆိုရင်ကားရှိတယ်မရှိဘူးမှာဆိုရင်ဒီမှာပြောသွားတဲ့ဟာမှာဆိုကျမတို့ဘာတွေပြောလို့ရလဲဘာတွေသုံးလို့ရအောင်မလဲဟုတ်တယ်ဥပမာခုနကGrab တို့ဘာလို့ဆိုရင် I usually rely on like Grab applications or public transport ဟုတ်တယ်မလားနော်ဒါတွေပြောလို့ရတယ် how often တို့ဘာလို့ဆိုရင်လည်းကျမတို့ from time to time ဟာလား occasionally every now and then ဟုတ်လားရလားဒါမှမဟုတ်ရင်လည်း on a daily basis เนอะအဲ့ဒါမျိုးတွေနဲ့သုံးလို့ရတယ်နော် I go to work I go to school I am commuting to နဲ့လည်းသုံးတာပဲနော် so I'm commuting to work or meeting up with friends ဟုတ်တယ်မလားနော်ဒါမျိုးလည်းရတာပဲနော် how often ဆိုတော့လေဒါတွေထည့်ပြောလို့ရတာ okay so the third one so Mapyo do you think it's necessary to learn how to drive
Yes, I do. Driving is an important skill, important life skill. Uh, it gives people more independence, and it's uh, it's especially very useful in places where public transportation is limited and also Grab and taxi is limited. So I think driving is an important skill for the people to be independent.
okay and it's also a life skill right we can use life skills in what else crucial skills right crucial important paramount because it offers independence and flexibility. You don't need to wait for a driver to travel from one place to another. Yes, especially when public transportation options are limited. Okay, so going here, are there a lot of traffic jams in your city?
Yes, there are indeed a lot of traffic jam. Especially in the evening around 5 p.m. Since the office worker and the other employees from different companies as they finish their job, they will normally take public transports, or some will even go home by taxi and and many other public transports. And at that time, uh, traffic jams would normally occur around city centers.
Mm-hmm. Yes, this is what we call rush hours. Okay,
Oh yeah, rush
and
hours.
so yes, yes, there are a lot of traffic jams, especially during rush hours, right? Like the office hours, rush hours.
Yes.
We experience severe congestion, making uh making a big challenge for daily commuters, right? Mm. အဲ့ဒီမှာကားပိတ်တာတွေဆိုကျမတို့ဘာတွေပြောလို့ရလဲ peak hours, rush hours နောက်ပြီးတော့ like congested traffic ဟုတ်တယ်မလားနော် bottleneck ဟုတ်လား bumper to bumper နော် bumper to bumper လည်းပြောလို့ရတာပဲနော် okay yes